Okay. So write the question. A cylindrical bowl of internal diameter, a cylindrical bowl of internal diameter, a cylindrical bowl of internal diameter 18 centimeter, a cylindrical bowl of internal diameter 18 centimeter and height 15 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of liquid, is full of liquid. A cylindrical bowl, a cylindrical bowl of a cylindrical bowl of internal diameter 18 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of liquid. The whole of the liquid is to be filled in the whole of the liquid. That means full liquid. The whole of the liquid is to be filled in small cylindrical bottles, in small cylindrical bottles of diameter 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. Each bottle is sold for 5 rupees. Each bottle is sold for 5 rupees. Then find the amount earned. Find the amount earned. Question again. A cylindrical bowl of a cylindrical bowl of internal diameter 18 centimeter. A cylindrical bowl of internal diameter 18 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of liquid. Is full of liquid. The whole liquid is to be filled in small cylindrical bottles of diameter, 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. Each bottle is sold for 5 rupees. Each bottle is sold for 5 rupees. Then find the amount earned. Find the amount earned. Find the amount earned. Okay. What will do? So very easy this one. First of all, number of bottles. Listen here. Number of bottles equal to volume of the bowl. Volume of the cylindrical bowl divided by volume of the bottle. You will get number of bowls. Okay. Don't substitute pi. Pi we can cancel it. Okay. Then multiplied by 5 rupees. Where or not? You find the volume of the bowl. Find the volume of the bowl divided by volume of one bottle. Okay. Then multiply by 5 rupees. Okay. Can you try it? Okay, try now. You just write a single line. Number of bottles equal to volume of volume of the bowl divided by volume of the bottle. Bowl and bottle are cylindrical in shape. Okay, so form the equation and find the number of bottles, multiply by 5 rupees. Okay, try now. The cylindrical bottles of diameter 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. 3 and 4. Diameter 3, height is 4. Okay, look at here. Hello. Here, number of bottles. Number of bottles equal to volume of the bowl. Volume, you write like this. Number of bottles equal to volume of the bowl divided by volume of one bottle. Bowl, cylindrical. 5 into R, how much? 9 into 9 into H is 15 divided by volume of one bottle. 5 into R, diameter 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into H is 4. Okay. 5 cancel. 2 cancel here. 3 cancel here. 3. 3 cancel here. 3. So number of bottles is 9 into 15. How many bottles? How many bottles? 135 bottles. 135 bottles. Then at the rate of 5 rupees. Cost how much? Rupees 135 into 5. How much? 675. 675. Okay. Got it? All got 675. Okay. Ashrak, you got it? Glenn, Ansel, Gautam, Harsha, Jonathan, Minna, Ahit, Patena. Hey, who's Roshan here? Hello. Who's Roshan Elias Matthew? Who this one? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay. Sham, you got? Okay, so clear now? So next question. Hello, finish all. Sham, Adil, finish or not? This type question very simple. Don't substitute pi value. Just keep it there. We can cancel it. Okay. Okay. So next question. Curve surface area of a cylindrical reservoir. Curve surface area of a cylindrical reservoir, 12-meter deep. Curve surface area of a cylindrical reservoir. Curve surface area of a cylindrical reservoir, 12-meter deep, is plastered from inside. With concrete mixer at rate of 15 rupees per meter square. Concrete mixer at 15 rupees per meter square. 15 rupees per meter square. If the total payment made is of, if the total payment made is of 5652, then find the capacity of the reservoir. Find the capacity of this reservoir in liters. Find the capacity of this reservoir in liter. Use pi 3.14. Use pi 3.14. Okay, before starting, look at here. We learned last class 1000 centimeter cube, 1 liter, right? 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. Now, 1 meter cube, how many liter? 1 meter cube, how many liter? 1000. Okay, write that first. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. Okay, 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. Okay, now look at here. How to find this question? Once again, curve surface area. Listen, curve surface area of a cylindrical reservoir, 12-meter deep, is plastered with from inside with the concrete mixer at the rate of 15 rupees per meter square. Okay, that means you have to find CSA into 15 equal to 5652. Correct or not? CSA into 2 pi RH into 15 equal to 5652. Okay, height is given. You'll get radius. After getting radius, you can find the volume. Okay, volume is what? Pi r square h. Do it now. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, try first. Okay, you understand what I said? 2 pi RH into 15 rupees equal to 5652. You will get the radius. After getting radius, you can find pi r square h. Use pi 3.14. Okay, then on you will get it. Pi 3.14. Okay, getting or not? Hello. If not getting, ask. Okay. 942, yes, 942 centimeter cube into 1000. Okay. Okay, Akshaya, correct. If not getting asked first. Okay. And so look at here. This question I'll explain here. Listen here. The curved surface area, that means, look, 2 pi RH, look, curved surface area of a reservoir, 2 pi RH into 15, okay, 15 rupees, right, equal to 5652. Then 2 into 22 by, 3.14, right? Okay. 3.14 into R not given, H is 12 equal to 5652. Therefore, R equal to 5652 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 12. You find out this one. I think answer is 5 meter. This is 5 meter. You can calculate that. See your work. Then volume. Volume is formula what? Pi R square H. So 3.14 into 5 into 5 into H is 12. You will get 942 meter cube. Therefore, 94200 liter. Okay, this is the answer. Clear now? Okay. Okay, copy fast. And sell. Finish or not? Okay. Adil, you getting or not? Alina, Angelina. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, next question. A cone, a hemisphere, and a cylinder stand on the same base. A cone, this is a star question. Hello, put a star mark. A cone, a hemisphere, and a cylinder stand on a cone, a hemisphere, and a cylinder stand on the same base and have equal height. And have equal height. A cone, a hemisphere, and a cylinder stand on the same base and have equal height. Find the ratio of their curved surface area. Find the ratio of their curved surface area. Okay. Once again, this is star question. A cone, a hemisphere, a cone, a hemisphere, a cylinder stand on the same base and have equal height. Find the ratio of their curved surface areas. Okay, do it now. Okay, try this one. Look at here. The question is what? A cone and a hemisphere. Listen here. A cone. Okay, cone here. Okay, a hemisphere, a cylinder. Okay, they have equal height. Okay, what about the height of a hemisphere? The height of a hemisphere is what? R. Okay, radius is R. That means, hello, look at here. The height of a hemisphere, height of the hemisphere is equal to what? Radius. Correct or not? Height of the hemisphere is equal to the radius. Clear or not? Hello. Is it okay what I said? Height of the hemisphere is same as radius. Okay, what about the height of a sphere is what? Height of the sphere is what? Height of the sphere is equal to what? Diameter. Okay. Now here height R. So this height also R. This is also R. Here height is R, radius R. Okay. Because as per the question, height is same as radius. Okay. This volume 1/3 pi r square into R. 1/3 pi r square h is 2. 2/3 pi r cube is 2. Pi r square into h r. Correct or no? Listen, volume of a cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. H is r. 2 by 3 pi r cube is to pi r square into r. So this one, 1 by 3 pi r cube is to 2 by 3 pi r cube is to pi r cube. All pi r cube cancel. 1 by 3 is to 2 by 3 is to 1. Don't keep it like this. Multiplied by CSA? No. Find the ratio of the curve surface area. Okay, just correct it. No. Ratio of their volume. Correct in the question. Okay. Ratio of the volumes. Jonathan. Hello, everyone. Correct the question. Find the ratio of their volumes. Find the ratio of their volumes. Find the ratio of their volumes. Okay, so now multiply by 3. What you get? 1 is to 2 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is to 3. Right first. Okay, so finish now. Is it okay all? This is a star question. Okay, ratio is what? 1 is to 2 is to 3. No, okay. Next one. Okay, hello. Can start next one. Is it okay now? Next question. Right. A pen stand is cylindrical in shape. A pen stand is cylindrical in shape. A pen stand is cylindrical in shape with the base radius 3.5 centimeter. Base radius 3.5 centimeter. Base radius is 3.5 centimeter. And height 10.5 centimeter. Height 10.5 centimeter. Height 10.5 centimeter. How much cardboard will be required? How much cardboard will be required to make 25 such pen stand? 25 such pen stand. Also find the volume of one pen stand. Also find the volume of one pen stand. Question again. A pen stand. Hello. A pen stand is cylindrical in shape. A pen stand is cylindrical in shape with the base radius 3.5 centimeter and height 10.5 centimeter. How much cardboard will be required to make 25 such pen stand? Also find the volume of one pen stand. Everyone got the question? Hello. Got the question or not? Hello? Okay, pen stand means pen stand, cylindrical in shape. So which area you have to find out? Which area you have to find? TSA or CSA? CSA plus base, correct. CSA plus base. So that means 2 pi r, 2 pi rh plus pi r square. 2 pi rh plus pi r square. Then that multiplied by 25. Why 25? 25 pen stand is required. Okay, do it now. After that, volume of one pen stand. Start. Okay, finish. Are you getting or not? Surface CSA plus base. CSA means what? 2 pi RH plus pi r square. Radius is 3.5. Height is 10.5. Then multiply by 25. Adil, you getting or not? Sham. Hello. Hello. Adil. Okay. Sham. Okay. I'll wait. Okay. Finish. Akshaya, finish or not? 408. No. 440 something only, but not 408. Anybody got? Jonathan, finish. Advait. Yes, 404. Yes, Adil, correct. Okay, exactly. Okay, 404.25. Look, here 2 pi RH plus pi r square. 2 into pi, don't substitute. 2 into pi into, or we can write 2 pi r outside. 2 pi r outside h plus r, correct? 2 pi r outside. No, we cannot take outside. No, wait, don't take outside. Okay. We can take 2 into pi into r is what? R is 3.5. 3.5 into h is 10.5 plus pi into 3.5 square. So you can find out this one. Then multiply by 25. So you'll get answer is 404.25. Okay. No. Total surface area is 77. Total surface area you got. Then volume is 404.25. Volume is 404.25. Okay. So next question. Next one, a star question. Right first. A right angle triangle ABC. Next one, a star one. A right angle triangle ABC. A right angle triangle ABC with the side 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. A right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. A right angle triangle ABC with the side 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. 3, 4, 5. A right angle triangle ABC with the side 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter is revolved about the fixed side of 4 centimeter. About the fixed side of 4 centimeter. Find the volume so generated. Find the volume. Find the volume of the solid. Find the volume of the solid generated. Also find the total surface area of the solid. Also find the total surface area of the solid. Also find the total surface area of the solid. Okay. Once again, look. Suppose a triangle. Look at here. A triangle like this. When you revolve about the height, that become a cone. Understood now? This is rotate. It's rotate, that become a cone. Okay. Right? I'll get a note. Right. Revolving about the about the side 4 centimeter. Revolving about the side 4 centimeter. 4 become height. 4 centimeter become height, and 3 centimeter become radius. 3 centimeter become radius. Understood now? 3 centimeter become radius. Look, it's revolved like this. The 4 become height. H equal to 4 centimeter. R equal to 3 centimeter. Now we can find the volume. Volume of cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then after that, curve surface area. Curve surface area pi RL. L is what? 5 centimeter. Do it now. Okay, finish it fast. Okay, what's the answer you got? H equal to 4, radius is 3, so we can find 1 by 3 pi r square h. How much that? Then surface area, total surface area, pi r square. They're asking for total pi r square. Find the total surface area. So pi r square plus pi r. Okay, do first. Finish. Hello. Hello. What's the answer? Volume is 37.71 centimeter cube. Yes, 37.71 centimeter cube. Total surface area 75.43. Total surface area 75.43. Okay, finalize first. Alina, getting or not? Okay, volume is 37.7 and total surface area 75.43. Finish it fast. Okay, roll finish. Okay. So next question. I have finished all. Right. Calculate the curve surface area of a cone. Calculate the curve surface area of a cone whose radius of base is. Calculate the curve surface area of a cone whose calculate the curve surface area of a cone whose radius and height are in the ratio 5:12. Calculate the curve surface area. Calculate the curve surface area. Calculate calculate the curve surface area of a cone whose radius and height are in the ratio 5:12. Whose radius and height are in the ratio 5:12. Its volume is 2512 centimeter cube. Its volume is 2512 centimeter cube. Its volume is 2512 centimeter cube. Okay. Clear now? Question. Find the curve surface area. Find the curve surface area of a cone whose radius and height are in the ratio 5:12. Radius and height are in the ratio 5:12. And volume is 2512. Volume is 2512. Find the curve surface area. Do fast. Okay, so finish. It's getting or not? One, you know. CSA how much? No, I don't think correct. I think we'll get 817.14. Advait, how much you got? Radius? Radius, how much you got? Yes, radius 10. H is 24. H is 24. L is how much? L, how much you got? Hey, come on. L is 26, man. L is 26. Look at here. If not getting, look at here. Look. R equal to 5x. R equal to 5x. H equal to 12x. Volume is 2512. Okay. Pi R square H equal to 2512. Okay. So 22 by 7 into R is 25x square. Okay. H is 12x equal to 2512. So x cube by x cube, x square into x equal to 2512 divided by into 7 going up, 22 into 25 into 12. You'll get 8. X equal to 2. Therefore, R equal to 10. H equal to 24. L equal to root of H square plus R square. So that time 10 square plus 24 square equal to 676 equal to 26. Okay. Okay. Advait, clear now? Then you find out pi RL. Then you find out pi RL. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. You're right. 1 by 3 pi R square H. Yeah. Right. 1 by 3. Okay. So 3 going up. Okay. 1 by 3 pi R square H. Okay. You'll get x equal to 2, R equal to 10, H equal to 24, L equal to 26. CSA pi RL. So that is 817.14. Okay. It's clear now? Okay. So next question. Right. This also star question. Okay. Next also star. Adil, are you getting or not? Sham, finish or not? Alina. Glenn. Harsha, very rich. Jonathan, Minna, Mohit. Okay, so next question. The frame of a lampshade, the frame, this is star question. The frame of a lampshade, the frame, next class we'll do the circle revision. Okay, everyone prepare the circle. Keep one compass and geometry box. Okay. The frame of a lampshade, the frame of a lampshade is cylindrical in shape. The frame of a lampshade is cylindrical in shape. It has base diameter. It has base diameter 28 centimeter. It has base diameter 28 centimeter and height 17 centimeter and height 17 centimeter. It has base diameter 28 centimeter and height 17 centimeter, 17. Okay. It is to be covered. It is to be covered with decorative cloth. It is to be covered with decorative cloth. It is to be covered with decorative cloth. Okay. A margin of 2 centimeter. A margin of 2 centimeter is to be given. A margin of 2 centimeter is to be given for folding it. A margin of 2 centimeter is given. A margin of 2 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom. Over the top and bottom. A margin of 2 centimeter is required for folding it over the top and bottom. Okay. If, next sentence, if 1/12 of the cloth wasted in cutting and pasting, if 1/12 of the cloth, if 1/12 of the cloth is wasted, if 1/12 of the cloth is wasted in cutting and pasting, find how much cloth is required, how much cloth is required, how much cloth is required. Okay, clear question. Once again, the frame, the frame of a lampshade, the frame of a lampshade is cylindrical in shape. It has diameter 28 centimeter and height 17 centimeter. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. A margin of 2 centimeter is required top and bottom of the frame. If 1 by 12 of the cloth is wasted in cutting and wasting, how much cloth is required? Okay, try now. No. For what say base? Lampshade, not the base. Only CSA only. Okay. Only CSA. Lampshade base. If the base is there, how can put in the lampshade? Okay. Base now. Base on top is open. Okay. Two zero 2016. Yes, correct. 2016 centimeter cube. Okay. Let's finish all. Okay, finish. Hello. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Here. Listen here. This is star question. Okay, look at here. Look. First of all, radius is how much? 14. Height is 17 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 21. Agree or not? This 21 understood or not? 21. How 21? Actually, height is 17 only. Plus base is 2, top also 2. That's why 21. Clear now? 2 centimeter top, 2 centimeter down. Okay, extra required. Ashrak, clear or not? Ansel. Hello. Okay, then we have to find out curve surface area, right? Okay, CSA equal to 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 14 into H is 21. Cancel here 3. This is the total surface. This is the curve surface area. Okay. So that is answer what? 1848 centimeter square. Okay. Now, this is the area of the lampshade. Now, how much you have to purchase? Look, okay, right up to here. Right up to, I'll give the note. Right? Radius equal to, I'll give the note. Radius equal to 14 centimeter. Radius equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. H equal to 17 plus 2 plus 2. Right, like that. Equal to 21 centimeter. The CSA equal to CSA equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Okay, CSA equal to 2 pi RH. Then 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 21. 1848 centimeter square. 1848 centimeter square. Up to here, okay? Hello, is it okay? Then, right up to that. Then you write, let A square meter, capital A square meter, let A square meter cloth is purchased. A square meter purchased, capital A. Okay, then write cutting and wastage A by 12. Cutting and wastage, this much purchase, cutting and wastage is A by 12. Then balance A minus A by 12 equal to 12A minus A by 12 equal to 11A by 12. 11A by 12. That means 11A by 12 only we can find here. So that means 11A by 12 equal to 1848. So A equal to 1848 into 12 by 11. 12 by 11. Okay. It's clear now? Okay. This type one question we did in reader. Okay, finish or not? Okay, DPS guys, if you have to study tomorrow, short studies, no problem. Okay, you are finished. I'll stop now if you want. Otherwise, I'll continue. I'll already finished now this chapter. Any DPS guys you want to learn SST? Or you finish all? Hello, DPS guys, tell me. You have to study SST, then otherwise I'll stop here or continue. What do you want? No, if you want, you can study, no problem for me. Okay, so this chapter now revision over. Surface area volumes revision is over. Now, next class, I'll do the samples. Okay, then you can study the SST, no problem. Okay, you can study it. So, next class, I'll start. Keep it ready, one geometry box. Okay. Okay.